Hello, and welcome back. It's been a little while since I made a video. Actually heading down to Chatfield for a rare for me, night fishing session. It's 5:20 right now, 5:20 p.m. I should say. A few of the guys from the club and I figured let's go see what Chatfield's like at night. And of course, when some of the guys get together, we got to turn it into a contest. Nothing official, no money, just a gentleman's bet, bragging rights. But there's going to be 9 of us, and of course, we got to see who's getting the best 5. So that's the plan for tonight. Don't know what the footage is going to look like. I did strap a little light to my camera mount, so hopefully can get some sort of footage. But anyway, almost there. So let's get down there, get all rigged up, hit the water, and see what night fishing's all about from the kayak. Let's freaking go. Look at that, Trev with the rainbow. Hell yeah. Ooh, is a little double rainbow action even? All right. A little rain at launch there. Hopefully that stays away. So we had a 6:45 launch, 7 o'clock lines in. I'm of course starting right near the beaver pile. Buzzbait or chatterbait? I don't know. What do you think? I think I'll start with the buzzbait. What the hell? Water is low. A lot lower than last time I was here. All this was underwater last time we were here. So yeah, it might be completely dead here. Completely different from when I got that 6-pounder and when last time I was here for the CKB tournament. I took 2nd place fishing down here. But it's going to be a lot different tonight. Obviously, I mean, besides being a night tournament, but just the water is so low. But that's all right. This is just a fun one. So didn't bring my electronics, so I have no idea how deep it is over here or back by the beaver pile. No idea if I'm going to be able to get back there. So we'll just wing it. We'll find something. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Oh, come on. No rain. Go away. God damn it. It's going to make me put my jacket on again. Come on, let's go. Yeah, like I said, even though it's not a official tournament, we're still sort of treating it like one with, you know, lines in and lines out time. Come on, give it to me. Let's go. There we go. Okay. Guess I can check depth the old school way. Okay, well, it's at least a few feet. Not bad. Oh, jeez, that was awesome. Dummy. Pro cast right there. Super pro cast. All right, we're at the famous beaver pile. Oh, geez, and I'm hitting dry land already. So beaver pile might be out of play. Let's go see. I think this is a hump and it gets a little deeper again after this, but maybe not. There's something in there. Was that you, or did you just throw in here? Oh, sorry. I thought I saw you throw over there. That's all right.
No one's stressed.
Nope.
Again, if I don't catch anything, I'm going fucking home.
Yep.
If I don't have a fish by like 9 o'clock, I'm out.
Yeah, same. There's gotta be something back here though, right? Yeah. Oh, do I have one? I do. Stay on. You stay on. Oh no! Oh, oh my God! Oh, you dumbass. Oh, that's annoying. One of these days I'll learn how to use a net, huh? That'd be pretty useful, I bet. All the tournament fishing I do, I should probably learn how to net fish one of these days. Don't you think? Oh, that's stupid. Alright, before it gets too dark, my buddy Trev hooked me up with this frickin' sick rat bait, which I've never thrown. And I should oh my God. Oh my God. No f***ing way that just happened. Oh my God. Wow. I just launched a brand new rat into the brush here. So I am obviously getting that back because those things are not cheap. I'm so glad it wasn't dark when I did that. He even told me straight braid would be better, but I did not bring anything with straight braid. So I had to throw it on 20-pound fluoro. Ah, there it is. Okay. Oh, that's good. I wonder if this thing floats in case I do that again. Yes, it does. Okay, cool. Yeah, that would have been ridiculous to lose that on the first cast. I mean, it was ridiculous, but it would have been really ridiculous if I would have actually lost it. Okay, let's try that again. I have no idea what happened there. So, Mr. Beaver, what you doing? Chilling? Was that a fish? Oh my God, it was a fish. Didn't even hear that or feel it. All right. We got one. We didn't skunk. Not a huge one, but you know what I always say. Hey, number one, 13 and a half. Oh, another one just hit it. Supposed to be close to a full moon tonight, so we can get rid of some of this cloud cover. Might not be too bad fishing in the dark, you know, as far as casting goes. Oh my God, what do we got? Oh, got something big. Oh, geez, it is a big one. It's not my 6, but it is a big one. Oh, beaver pile pays off again, dude. That is crazy. Oh, you just calm down, big fella. Oh my God. Stop it. You just stop it. What the dude? Okay, you know what? You're just gonna sit there and think about what you've done. 19 and a quarter. Get you in the water. Let's see if we got you. Oh my God, this dude is pissed. Which I suppose is understandable. Yeah, we got him. Let's get a weight on him now. Oh my God, this guy does not like to be held. Four, 5. Okay. Heck yeah, let's freaking go. You get out of here, buddy. I'm trying to make my way to a spot. I've had luck in the past, but I don't know where the heck it is in the dark. There's a stand of trees over here somewhere. Is that it? Maybe? Yeah, I think this is it. Whoops. Oh, dude. Stay on. Oh my God. Yes. Is it a bass? It is a bass. Heck yeah. Number 3. All right. Heck yeah. Nice, nice, nice. That's a smallmouth, dang. Okay, we got you. Number 3. Doing better than I thought, actually. Alright, get out of here. Is that? That is. That's a walleye. But we are doing a trash fish pot, so we'll get a picture of them. Oh, you dick. Okay, good enough. Walleye. That's it for the night tournament. My buddy Trev ended up beating me by a ½ inch. Nobody got a limit. Trev and I both got 3, and he beat me by a ½ inch. So it turns out that one that hopped off would have been the winning fish. Yeah, like I said then, one of these days I will learn how to net fish better. I don't know why I'm so bad at that. But anyway, that was a super fun time. We're definitely going to do it again because everybody had a blast. It was nice, not being out there in 100-degree heat. Fishing could have been a little bit better, but it was still fun as heck. So anyway, thanks for watching. Give a like and subscribe, and until next time, get after them.